Welcome, little explorers. Today, we will learn about a very important cosmic phenomenon that is repeated every year on our planet, the succession of the 4 seasons. First, what is the meaning of the 4 seasons? The 4 seasons are spring, summer, fall, and finally, winter. The 4 seasons are one of the most interesting and thought-provoking topics, as they represent the natural life cycle of the Earth and change periodically. These seasons are an integral part of our daily experience, affecting all aspects of our lives, from the weather to leisure activities and agriculture. In this video, we will explore the 4 seasons and understand them further. Get ready to discover the wonders of nature. Spring season. Spring is like nature's big, cheerful party where everything comes to life in the most exciting ways. Spring is the beginning of the annual cycle of seasons. One of the most magical things about spring is the arrival of flowers. After a long winter's nap, flowers begin to appear everywhere, decorating the world with bright and beautiful colors. You can see fields of daffodils and cherry blossoms, making you feel like the whole world is blooming for you. Spring is characterized by the return to life of nature after the cold and wet winter period. Days become longer with more hours of sunlight, which promotes plant growth and stimulates animals to reproduce as flowers bloom and green leaves appear on trees. Spring is also considered the season of new life, when young animals give birth and migratory birds return to their homes. Children can explore spring by collecting flowers, watching small animals, and participating in outdoor activities such as running and jumping rope. They can also participate in activities related to agriculture, such as planting seeds and monitoring the growth of plants. Summer season. Summer is like a big, sunny playground where everything is bright, warm, and full of fun. Imagine waking up to the joyful chirping of birds and warm sunlight streaming through your window. 'Tis the season for outdoor adventures waiting to be explored. Summer is the warmest and busiest season of the year. Summer comes with rising temperatures, giving children the opportunity to enjoy outdoor activities and intensely warm weather. Children can enjoy the bright sun during the summer. It's the perfect time to play outside, like going to the beaches to swim, build sandcastles, or play on the beach or surf. Summer is also an opportunity to learn through seasonal activities, such as camping in the forest and exploring wild nature. You can go on nature walks to see colorful flowers and bumblebees, or take a walk in the forest to watch birds and butterflies, or reading books under the shade of trees. So, you see, summer is the season of sunshine, laughter, and endless fun. It's a time to make memories, try new things, and enjoy life's simple pleasures. Autumn is like a magical transformation in nature where the world around us becomes a masterpiece of colors and adventures waiting to be explored. Imagine stepping outside and feeling a refreshing breeze gently flowing through the trees while the leaves of all colors dance and swirl around you. One of the most exciting things about fall is the changing colors of the leaves. Have you ever noticed how trees turn into a rainbow of red, orange, yellow, and brown colors? It's as if the whole world is putting on a colorful show just for us. You can also collect some leaves to keep as treasures or use in fun crafts. With the beginning of autumn, the colors of the trees change to become diverse and beautiful. Autumn brings tangible changes in nature as leaves fall and tree colors turn to multiple shades of red, orange, and yellow. Children can enjoy the activities of collecting papers and making handicrafts from them or designing paintings, and also enjoy the cool and refreshing atmosphere, Autumn is an opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of nature's changes and the cycle of life. Autumn is also an opportunity in which children can participate in collecting fruits and vegetables in local gardens and farms. Autumn is the season of harvest, harvesting crops and preparing food for the winter. You see, fall is a season full of wonder and excitement. Winter season. Winter is like a nature's wonderland where everything turns into a magical snow adventure. Imagine waking up to a world covered in a soft, white blanket of snow. Winter is the coldest season of the year. Winter comes with falling temperatures and snowfall. It's like a million little sparkling diamonds falling from the sky. Children can enjoy seasonal activities like playing with snowballs, but that's not all. You can also ski on freshly fallen snow hills. Winter is perfect for all kinds of fun outdoor activities. Have you ever built a snowman? It's so much fun. The snowman can be decorated with a carrot nose, buttons made of rocks, and a scarf to keep him warm. Winter is also an opportunity to relax indoors and spend quality time gathering around the fireplace with the family. The 4 seasons are an integral part of our daily experience, representing the Earth's natural life cycle. Children can explore and learn from the classroom through a variety of activities and experiences. In short, the 4 seasons give us an opportunity to enjoy the diversity of nature and its different experiences throughout the year, which helps us understand the natural life cycle and the importance of maintaining ecological balance. My fellow explorers, during our journey through the 4 seasons, we saw how nature changes and adapts, bringing us joy, beauty, and adventure on all year round. Whether it's colorful spring flowers, sunny summer days, colorful autumn leaves, or snowy winter landscapes, every season has its own charm. Now, let's get out and explore the magic of the seasons together.